Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through an all-inclusive review of Parrot AI, an intelligent workspace designed to turn your video meetings, client calls, and presentation recordings into actionable business knowledge. If your team spends hours sitting through lengthy Zoom or Google Meet sessions only to struggle remembering key decisions later, Parrot AI automatically transcribes, summarizes, and securely stores every word. The core superpower of the platform is its interactive page editor and semantic search engine. Instead of rewatching full recorded videos, the system extracts critical moments, builds shareable meeting notes, and allows you to chat directly with your transcript with custom generative AI prompts to instantly pull out action items or draft follow-up emails. Additionally, it prioritizes enterprise-grade privacy standards, ensuring sensitive corporate conversations stay encrypted and restricted to authorized team members. On the downside, the platform's free plan imposes strict monthly recording caps, and processing complex technical jargon or heavy overlapping crosstalk can occasionally lead to minor transcript errors that require manual post-editing. Furthermore, full integration with external customer relationship managers is locked behind higher-tier subscription plans. Ultimately, if you want to eliminate manual note-taking, retain valuable operational knowledge, and boost post-meeting productivity across your entire organization, Parrot AI is an exceptional business asset well worth implementing into your daily workflow. Subscribe the channel for more videos.